Your biggest enemy isn't laziness, it's the thing in your hand right now. You've probably opened your phone just to check notifications, right? But next thing you know, 3 hours are gone. 3 hours wasted scrolling, gaming, or watching random videos that add zero value to your life. Meanwhile, your assignments, studies, and productive plans are all delayed. What's left? A tired brain, regret, and frustration at yourself. You promise to do better tomorrow, but then fall into the same trap again. The scary part, it's not even entirely your fault. Your brain has been hijacked, made addicted to your phone, because out there, thousands of smart people are paid insane amounts to design apps that hook your brain like candy. That addiction isn't an accident, it's a business model. But in this video, we'll break that addiction using methods I've personally tested and backed by science, so you can reclaim your most valuable asset, your time and focus. Just imagine how powerful your grades, achievements, or business could be if you weren't addicted to this thing. Welcome to the Life Skills segment. Watch till the end to unlock your potential. The first step to escaping phone addiction is to be honest and find the root cause. You're not addicted for no reason. Your brain is simply running away from something. By design, our brain avoids discomfort, and apps like games, TikTok, and others are engineered to be your easiest fake escape from that discomfort, without solving the real problem. So instead of fixing it, your brain just keeps running. For example, when assignments stress you out, instead of tackling them bit by bit, you scroll TikTok instead. The stress fades for a moment, but the real issue, unfinished work, still remains. Then when you stop scrolling, the stress returns, so you scroll again. That's the endless cycle of procrastination. Or when you're bored, instead of doing something meaningful that gives real progress like learning English or building a new skill, you dive into games. The problem is, when the game ends, you've built nothing lasting, so you run back again. See now why you're trapped in this addiction? Ask yourself honestly, what feeling are you running from? Boredom, sadness, or stress? Once you know the cause, find a healthy escape. That is the key. Replace your bad escape with one that actually fixes your discomfort and gives 100 times more satisfaction than your phone. And to find something that's satisfying, you need a goal. That's why the second step is to create a strong goal. Remember, phone addiction is just an escape from discomfort. You can't beat it by doing nothing. You need another escape, something better and more meaningful. Your brain always moves toward whatever feels most rewarding. So far, your phone has been the easiest source of pleasure. The only way to beat it is to make your brain see a bigger reward elsewhere. Look at an athlete training for the Olympics. Do you think they're checking Instagram mid-run? No. The goal of winning gold is way more tempting than any notification, or a content creator editing a video. They forget to eat, drink, or touch their phone because the joy of creating something others will watch gives unmatched satisfaction. So how do you build a goal that powerful? Start with curiosity. Write 3 to 5 things that genuinely excite you. Cooking, music, writing, speaking on camera, or even coding and video editing. Pick one that sparks your energy most, then turn that interest into a project. Don't just say, I want to learn guitar. That's too vague. Make it specific, like, in 30 days I want to play one favorite song on guitar. Then tie that goal to a deeper reason. Maybe to make your parents proud, rank top in class, or become skilled enough to support your family. When your goal is clear, exciting, and meaningful, your brain naturally prefers chasing it over doom scrolling. Once that goal feels strong enough, it's time for the third step, building a new escape, taking real action. A big goal often looks intimidating, so break it down into small daily missions, your personal to-do list. That makes it achievable and fun. Let's say your goal is mastering English. Don't just say, I'll study today, that's vague. Instead, make specific daily missions like, first, learn new grammar rules for 30 minutes. Second, watch one English podcast and note 5 new words. Third, use those 5 words to create your own sentences and say them aloud for 10 minutes. Each time you finish a mission, check it off your list and enjoy that little win. Treat it like completing a game quest. This gives your brain direction. No more confusion about what to do when boredom hits. Now, instead of escaping into your phone, you'll escape into progress. Gradually, your brain shifts from running away from discomfort to running toward growth. But of course, this isn't easy. That craving for your phone is still strong. So you need step 4, the no phone zone rule. Your biggest potential shows when your brain is no longer controlled by your phone. You need a clear defense strategy. Even if you know the root cause and have strong goals, notifications will still tempt you if your phone is nearby. The only way to completely break addiction is to set specific hours of no phone time. Pick a period daily, ideally the first 3 hours after waking up, because that's your brain's golden focus time. Also, keep your phone physically far away. Another room, a drawer, anywhere out of sight. Focus fully on your missions. Once you start tasting the real reward from your progress, you'll naturally lose interest in your phone. See how every step connects? You find your root cause, not to blame yourself, but to know what's missing. Then set a strong goal to fill that gap. Break it into daily missions to create new, productive escapes. Finally, build a no-phone zone to protect that focus. This isn't about quitting your phone. It is about building a life so meaningful that instant dopamine hits from scrolling simply can't compete. Sure, you'll fail sometimes. You'll relapse and waste hours again. That's normal. The goal isn't perfection, it's persistence. When you slip, don't regret it. Just remember your main mission. Reclaim your time and focus to build the life you want. And don't just let this video be your mental comfort. Take action now. If you want to go deeper into self-discipline for both body and mind, check out my short ebook and simple habit tracker template. Link in the video description. I hope this helps you. See you in the next video, and stay strong.